Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Marvel Rivals DirectX 12 is not supported on your system. So the easiest way for you to fix this problem is to go to settings and then Windows Update and update your operating system as well as your GPU. So depending on what GPU you're using, I'm using NVIDIA, so there is an app called NVIDIA on my PC. I can go to drivers, install the latest drivers, and after that restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, what I suggest you to do here next is to press on Steam, go to Marvel Rivals, right click on it, go to properties, and then here you just need to write -DX12 and launch the game and look if you're getting this error or not. And if you're getting error, try to DX11 and you look if the problem persists. And if the problem persists, then go to install files and verify integrity of the game files. And the last thing, what you can do here, you can just press browse, and then on this window here scroll down a bit until you see, as you can see, Marvel Rivals launcher.exe. Right click on it, show more options, properties, compatibility. Make sure run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8, and then run this program as administrator. Then change high DPI settings, override high DPI scaling behavior, select application, apply OK, and look if the problem persists. Right, so yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.